Alright, welcome to DL Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. I was just gonna give you guys an update here. I got this floor in the driver's side. Today I just did the passenger side. Got that all done. You can see I'm starting to make little pieces now for little holes that have to be filled in, and I'll just seam seal everything. But this, I don't know what I'm going to do it down here. This is when Nate tried to put a patch in. You can see that. I'm not going to grind all that out. I don't think. I'm just going to seam seal that. Oh God, that would take hours of grinding. I got to take off the 4-speed delete plate they made. Because I'm running a 4-speed in here. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. There's still shit falling out of this car. Yeah, so now I gotta do the back ones. So, alright. Yeah. So I gotta do the back ones. I figure all I gotta do is just do these outer pieces on each side. These are really solid yet. Just put some rust converter on there, clean them up, and then rust convert it. And same with that side too. It's just the outside one. After my frame connectors. Then I want to either make plates going across here, weld them in to the frame connector. I don't think I can weld around it because I think it's going to be too much of a gap. I don't know. I got it fairly tight, but I don't know. I think if I just put a plate across here now on each side and rosette weld them together and have the floor as a ham and the ham sandwich, I think that'd be good and strong, I think. But yeah, like here you can see that. I gotta make a little piece for that. And then this inner rocker. Oh God, what a mess. Oh, here too. I'll just make little pieces and I'll weld them in. And I wanted a whole new floor in here, guys, but AMD floor, but I can't afford it. $900 for my door. After Governor Walz takes his overline tax and the shipping and the royalties that they got to pay for the lamps just to make them, it was going to be $900 for my door. There's no reason for that. But see, now, you can price gouge. The Consumer Protection Agency is now abolished. So, they used to be there to protect us, but Trump got rid of them. I really don't know why, but I think there was a lot of pending litigation against them through there. And so he abolished it so he could get out of it. I think that's what happened. But I don't know that. But that's what it seems to be anyway. But anyway, enough bitching about that. But I'm getting there. So yeah. You can see the original green it was. But yeah. But anyway, let's leave it for that. And please like and subscribe. This is kind of video number 2 of the previous one here. So I was going to do a follow-up video because I did that today, that one over there. I'm slowly working my way. Then I'll do that one and that one. Maybe I can do that in one day. Then I'll go around, I'll start making little pieces, cutting that rust out, neutralizing it, and then putting little pieces in there. And then we'll just seam seal it, and it'll be just as good as strong, I wanted a new AMD floor, but just can't afford it. $900. This was just way more time now I got into it here. but it was only $350. Not even half of what that was going to be. Yeah, beautiful AMD floor would have been beautiful in here, but hey, whatever. You gotta sell for what you can get. Right, Mindy? You gotta sell for what we can get. It may not be much, but at least we get something. But, yeah. But Mindy says, please like and subscribe so she can be on the show more, don't you? Look at her. She's so cute. Yeah, she's such a good doggy. Yeah, you're a good puppy, ain't you? Are you a good puppy? Yeah, you're a good puppy. So I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes. I'm gonna fire watch. You know, because we're all at welding. I don't think it's been quite a while since we welded now, but I think we're just gonna sit back and wait for a while. I just want to make sure. Don't want that ruster to burn up. But yeah. But please like and subscribe, guys, if you can. Sure would appreciate it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye. This is just a follow-up video on the passenger side tow boards. Bye-bye.